Bhaskar,
Yes, sir.
for the
Good
convenience.
afternoon, sir.
Hey, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. For the convenience, Bhaskar, will you mute? Guys, we'll mute you for the timing, all of you, and then if anybody wants to talk, we can just unmute yourself and talk. Will that work?
Yes, sir.
Great,
Yes,
great.
sir.
Okay. Good, good.
Yes, sir.
All right. So today, what we'll do is that we'll start with the. So, how many of you have tried to solve the puzzle? The puzzle that I have sent.
Sir, I. Sir, me. Neve Killen.
Okay, okay, okay. We'll go one by one. We'll go one by one. Okay. So I know Devangan Bhattacharya. He has done it because he has sent me, or he has talked with over WhatsApp. Now who else? So others, you have. Can you raise your hand? Whoever has done. Is it possible to raise hand through this web app? Bhaskar? Okay.
Sir,
So
I can only two. Sir, I
say
can
that
do
again.
only one.
Yes,
Only one and two. Okay. How many? Who have solved all the six? Who have solved all the six? Huh?
Sir, I. Sir,
Who?
I
Who?
have done.
Okay, you have done
Sir,
all the
I.
six.
Sir,
Okay.
that was
Wait a second. What is your name?
Deepak.
Or is it Neem? Neem, you have done all four, all six, right? And who?
No, sir, one only. One only.
Okay. So who has done all four? Sorry, I could not hear. What is your name?
Sir, I
I thought. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second, Neem. Who has done? Is it others? Others?
Sir, I have done
have.
only.
Divesh Bhattacharya has done.
Okay, we will.
Sir, it is. Sir, it is
Okay,
written
fine.
Sudeep Bhattacharya.
Sudip Bhattacharya. Okay, okay. Well, fine. That's okay. Oh, Sudip Bhattacharya. Great, great, Sudip. Okay, fine. So I will bring that up. Wait a second. Will show that. Where is that window? Oh, you have also done. Good. So let me share the entire screen. Let me see that. Guys, can you see my screen?
No, sir.
No,
Can
sir.
you see?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. I'll tell,
Wait
sir.
a second.
Okay.
How to? You okay? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir. Now it's free.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. 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 Good.
I
Okay.
can't see.
Who can't? So
Sir, I others.
you cannot see it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Others,
refresh your window?
refresh your window or rejoin.
Yes, sir. Now I can see.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Good. Okay. So Sudeep, you have solved all right. So let's go by this one, the number one, where the puzzle one. This is Alia. She is a physicist. She helped design the rocket and also will make sure that it goes to the right location in space after it takes off. It's a job to make sure the rocket carrying the satellite gets into the space, which means taking enough fuel. How much do they need? So what is the full thing out of what is the full sentence? Can anybody who has solved? I mean, Sudeep, can you say what is this? We need then. Sudeep, are you there?
Sir, it is. Yes, sir.
Tell
Sir,
me.
here in this cryptogram, after finding, we can see, sir. I will tell the answer.
No, not the answer. You tell me what is this full sentence is. This is using same cryptography, right? What are the full sentences?
Yes, the cryptogram. program.
Uh-huh. Yeah. So this is a
Sir,
sentence.
I'm reading the sentence.
Uh,
Sir, it is we need
uh,
3000 liters of fuel to
uh,
take off
uh-huh.
and another 3000 so the satellite
Another
can move
1,000.
in
No, no.
space.
Uh, yes. So it's like we need 3,000 liters of fuel uh, to take off, and another 1,000 so we can move the satellite in space. Okay, good. So all of you got it. I mean, you get this. So this is answer is to answer to this puzzle is 4,000, right?
Yes, sir. Say Z.
I'm sorry. Anybody saying something? Okay, fine. Bhaskar, is it visible now? My screen,
Yes, sir. It's visible.
guys. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. Okay, good. Okay, good, good. Now we are going to the Cytel cipher, right? And we have to find the words written here, right? So if you can make a 3x3 piece and you just make a club the words. So what are the words here? Can you tell me what are the words present here with related to space?
Sir, gravity,
Uh,
galaxy,
Galaxy. Gravity.
gravity,
Anyone? Anyone?
Interstellar.
Galaxy.
satellite,
Yeah, so gravity, interstellar, galaxy, and Saturn, right?
Saturn.
yes, sir.
Is it clear? So
I've done this one. Oh no, not this one. Puzzle number
yeah,
3.
wait a second. I will come to puzzle number 3. Yes. So here I will come to this one later. So now here it is like it is the if you see puzzle number 2. So it is I. This will come as an I. I don't know. First to get the pen. I'm not too sure how to get the pen. How to? Hey, Bhaskar, how to get a pen? Possible to get a pen for this or not? Right? Anyway, so I think this one will be. If I write it down, this will come as interstellar. This word, entire word, will come to even highlighter. I don't know if I can write it using this. Sorry. So this will come as yeah. I don't know why it is this one. So it is I here. No, there is. Sorry for the inconvenience, folks. So it is like all the words that will come right. Wait a second.
Sir, the word is industry,
It will be interstellar, the entire thing. It's a fixed word, right? R I N S T E L L. Yeah. So it's like I mean, it's not coming. Just to say, this is an interstellar. This will be like this one will be 4,000. 4,000, right? 4,000, yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, okay. Now we'll go to puzzle number 3. So it talks about this is she has written what Jamie has done is that she has written a blog, right? This is the blog she has written, and then for the satellite communication you have to find the elevation required where the you will take the measurements where the satellite containing the measurement to make sure that they are communicating correctly. The dish should be elevated in that particular angle. So what angle it should be? Now if it says fifth,
Sir, can I say
yeah, go ahead.
38?
Yes, it is 38. So how we got it? Let's understand how we got it. That's fine. So it is T. That means fifth line, sixth letter. If you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and then 1, So this is the fifth line. This is the fifth line you have. And sorry. So let's take this. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth line. And we are saying 1, 2, 3, 4. What is it? Sixth letter, right? It says it's sixth letter, right? Fifth letter, fifth line, sixth letter, fifth line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is coming T, right? So that means this is T, right? That is correct. Then you go to sixth line, sixth letter. That means the next line, sixth letter. If we go here, so this is the sixth line, right? This is sixth line, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is coming like H. After that, it comes in H. So it comes H here. Then third is 11th line, 10th letter. So 11th line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is the 11th line and 10th letter. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? That is I. Am I clear, guys? Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
So this is,
Yes, sir.
yeah, so this,
Yes, sir.
this is I.
Yes, sir.
So similarly, if you go in the similar way, so you have made THI. If you go all the things, it will come as 38-degree elevation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. Great. Fine.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Good.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Okay. Good. Good. Now, so this is a 38. The puzzle number 3 will be 38. Now coming to the fourth one. So fourth one is like you have to use the what circle is that called? Cipher wheel. You have to use the cipher wheel. Now
10 million.
it will be 10 million. Yes, it is 10 million. So you go there. You go to this website. Sorry. Go to this website. So you will see a cipher wheel like this. Can you see my screen, guys?
Yes, sir.
Kids, can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So, okay. So if you go this, it says like DOX. So DO,
Is equals to J.
yeah, T equal to J, right? So that means
Sir, this
T has to move all along to J,
yes, sir.
right? So now you have D. D stands for T. O is E, and X is, where is X? X is N, right? So here, if you see, that is DOX, that is 10. Then comes W. W means, so when you go to W, then it is M.
G.
Wait a second, I will have both at a place. Give me a moment.
Sir, WS.
Yeah. Wait a second.
Sir,
It is not coming up. Wait a second. I'm just trying to bring the double window, but I think it is not possible here for the pension. Yeah. So it is like W, then comes S. S is like what? S is I. So eventually it will come 10 million. If you try that out and at home, it will come 10 million kilowatt per day.
yes, sir.
Right? Right. So here
Yes,
in this,
sir.
when you are going this, it will be 10 million, right, for puzzle 4. Yeah. Anybody has doubt? If anybody has doubt, do let me know. I will clarify.
Sir, I don't have a doubt, but sir, I can't open this puzzle pack.
I'm sorry.
Sir, I can't open this puzzle pack.
This one.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is not coming.
Why? You have typed in.
Sir,
You have typed.
Yes, sir. It is not coming. Also, sir, it has came means printed only. Means when we will click on it, no, it will not come.
No, then you can type in your browser, right? http://competition.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can do one thing. You can copy the URL. Okay.
let me
Competition.
take a screenshot.
Yes, you can copy the URL and
This you will see
paste
that.
it in your browser.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it coming? Whoever is saying is not coming. Then
My also not coming.
it is not coming. Why?
Yes.
Sir, my is coming.
Have you typed it correctly? Have you all the letters like competition dot wise? There is a hyphen ypb.org.uk. Check it out. I mean, I think someone of you have, or maybe I
Sir,
will.
my one is opening in desktop.
It is opening. Okay. Maybe what I will do, I will WhatsApp the link so that you can see at your phone.
Sir, my one is opening from Your WhatsApp number.
Okay,
Again?
I'll send
Sir,
the
I
link.
doesn't have your WhatsApp number.
No, I will post in the group.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
I will post into the group.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Yes, sir.
I'll do that. Wait a second. I will do right away.
Okay.
Okay, I have done here.
Yes, sir.
And then
You down now? That's वहाँ पर.
okay, all right, fine. So you are all done for this. Now I have sent over the WhatsApp. Okay, where it has gone?
Sir, it has gone.
Yeah, okay, fine. Now we'll go to Morse code, right? So what the Morse code says? Have you understood the Morse code here? Like how it goes? You can see there's a purple arrow. So this
Yes,
one,
sir.
this one dot signifies one purple arrow, and this one hyphen signifies one red arrow. So we'll start from start, right? Then it goes to one purple, so that means we'll go to E. Then it says another purple, then we'll go to I. Then another purple will go to S. So this one will be S, right?
Yes.
Then comes what? Two dots, two purple. So that's E and I. Clear? Then, okay, we'll go here. I will just say. So this one is actually S. This is two dot. That is, it should be I. I'm sorry? Yes, it is silicon. So then comes what? First comes a purple. That means one arrow. This one. Then it goes to E. Then a red dash. So it will come to A. Then again a purple dot. It will come to R. Then again a purple dot. It will come to L. So this is actually L. Similarly, for these two dot, again the I, we know I has two dot. Similarly, you will see this, it is more of a C here, because you start with red, go to T, then again a purple, go to N, then again a red, go to K, then again a purple, you go to C, right? So it is silicon. So finally, you will have the answer for your puzzle number 5 is silicon. Right. Then you go to the puzzle number 6.
Sir,
So
can
you
I
see,
answer this question?
yeah, please go ahead. If you can explain, that will be great. Not only
Okay.
answering.
Okay, sir. The answer is solar. Okay. So,
Okay.
sir, in the down part there is a cross. There are two crosses,
Correct.
and
So? So
it,
this explains yes.
and in
Because-
the right
Yeah.
side we have seen there is a V type shape. So under the
Correct.
V type shape in left side, inside that is S. So it will be S.
Correct.
And
Yes.
then the right side there is one half box which has not the right side line. So it will be O.
Yes. So this one with a dot inside it. There is a box
Yes,
and a
sir.
dot inside it, right? So this
Yes,
will be
sir.
this will be O. Similarly, it will be O. Then comes the L.
L.
Right, because this one will come here. It's a like a open-ended. The left, no, sorry, the right top corner, right? Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
this one is the L, right? Sorry. This one is yeah. So this one will come as an solar. This actual answer will come as a
Solar.
Yeah. Fine. So this is actually solar. Now, after solving all this, all you have to do is that you have to take all the numbers here. So eventually it will come 4. Then it will come. What is the R? It will come, right?
Yes, sir. So then T.
No. No, L O L. So first 4, right? It is the middle.
Sir, 4 R T L O L.
No, R is the last one I see, right?
No, sir. No, sir.
So this is.
4 R.
Wait a second.
Yes, sir.
So this is I. This is I. This is inter. This is N. Should. And then what is that? Inter.
T
T E. Yes, you're correct. Yes.
Sir, 4 R.
R. Yes. Yes, Taylor. Yes. Yes. P E L. Yeah. Fine. So it is 4 R. Then this is what? T. Yes. This is T because of 38. 30.
O L.
L O L. Correct. Yes. So 4 R T L O L.
4 R T L O L.
Correct. Correct. So this is how you should solve the puzzle. So anyone, any doubt? I mean, I appreciate that all of you has mostly solved it. There may be some here and there, but any one of you have any doubt for this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Great. Okay, all right. So, Bhaskar, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I see. Wait a second. I see a lot of. Just give me a moment. I will see your messages, what you are typing here, and then I will again get back to you. Right, I will
Sir,
start talking.
lot of students questions about how to submit the puzzle.
Hello.
Okay, fine. So,
Hello, sir.
hey, okay, all right. So this is done. Now I will quickly tell you some of the things based on escape velocity, then something on black hole and how a rocket is launched and all those things. So I'm just curious whether anyone from class 9 to 12 has joined in this group.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, great, fine. So it for you whoever from class 4 to 8, it may be a little difficult to understand. Okay, but that's okay. You just try to see what it is all about. Then we'll.
नीचे नहीं जा रहा है यो नीचे जा रहे तुम
Anshu, can you mute your microphone? for the
Sir,
time being?
I did, sir.
Sir,
Huh.
sir, after we complete this puzzle, then we have to submit to you.
No, you have to submit in your website. You have to submit in your website.
And we have to submit to you.
Hey, tell me.
Sir, we have to submit
Yeah.
to you after completing this puzzle.
Yes. You have to submit in your
So
website.
you can send the. There is an email ID there, right? You know that. So again, I will present once more for your.
Sir, you please share.
Yeah, I'll share.
Sir, please show it.
Yes, I am sharing.
Sir, where we will write and how, means where we will write in the PDF only we will write,
Okay, see.
or we will write in copy, then we will send it the email.
Okay, see.
Now,
Sir
all
is
you have to
showing.
do is that I will tell you what to do. All you have to go, if you go down, you will see there is a. Wait a second. Yes. So for a chance to win prizes, so you ask any of your parent like your mom or dad, to email your answer mentioning your name, age, contact details to info@wisecampaign.org.uk.
Okay, sir.
Got it? See,
Sir,
here.
where we are going to write means answers where we are going to write.
So all you will do is that you will create a, you in your email box, right? You just write in plain text like name. So maybe I will show you how I have written for my. I'll show you. Sorry. Give me a moment. I'm not presenting. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So can you see my email? This is how I have written. So this is I have done for my kid, my son, right? So I have written a name, I have written the age, then given the contact details.
Sir,
then given
can
the
you
answer like
zoom it? Can you zoom the screen?
clear.
Sir, can you
And
zoom the
you will
screen?
get a confirmation mail like this. Thank you for submitting your answers for the code breaking challenge, and we wish you best of luck. You will get a confirmation mail from them. Clear?
Sir, only the last page wala answer we have to send.
Yes. So you give puzzle 1, like, have you seen how I have written here? Puzzle 1, puzzle 2, puzzle 3, puzzle 4.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes, sir.
And then you have to send the 6-character code for the launch. That is what is mentioned here, right? If you see here, it is mentioned that all you need to do is that you should now know all 6 answers, 1 letter or number. So if you write these in the order of the puzzle, you should have a 6-character code. This is the launch code, right? So that is all you have.
Okay,
Right?
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Yeah, chalo. Good job. So all of you will do by today, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now coming to, I will show you something
I can't
related to.
pass
So
that
who,
puzzle, sir.
say that again. What happens? What happened?
Sir, when I am
Rajiv, you are
solving
saying
it,
something.
sir, after I have solved that puzzle, I can go to the another puzzle.
Meaning you cannot go means what is happening?
Sir, after I have solved one puzzle one, then I can move to the next puzzle.
Where you have opened the PDF in your computer, or you have opened the PDF in your mobile?
Sir, in mobile.
Mobile. Okay. You need to scroll down. So you are using your mother or father's mobile, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you ask them that if can you help them to scroll down in the PDF?
Sir, okay, sir.
Yeah. Or maybe you can ask like if you have an elder brother or somebody, so that you need to scroll down actually, right? Rajiv? The things are there.
It's a bug in my phone. I can't scroll down. Sir, now I can do.
Oh, okay. Good, Rajiv. Yeah. So now you'll be able to do, and then let me know. What you can do is that in case if you are not able to ping me on my personal window,
Yes, sir.
I can send you the screenshots if you cannot do.
Okay,
Right?
sir.
But I think you can. There should not be any issue.
Yes, sir.